Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products you don't have to. Weverse has been real busy getting a lot of shipments out, so I've been getting something almost every day this week. A lot of good content coming up, so let's take a look at a BTS unboxing. Let's get to it.
All right, so today we have got the BTS World Tour Love Yourself, Speak Yourself, London. And this one is the DVD, I believe. Yeah, DVD. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what we got. It's always fun. They're always packaged slightly different stuff in them. So I didn't see anything else in the box. So I think they were supposed to be like a poster, maybe some other stuff. I guess we'll see. How does this open? Okay. Standard magnet clamp. Okay. So in this we've got the DVD kind of set and kit. Looks pretty cool. Now let's take the disc out and see that full picture. So this is the Wembley Stadium. Looks pretty cool. So those are the discs, DVDs. All right. I got the V. I don't know what they call these, kind of bookmark style photo cards. V doing the Korean heart. It's very cool. This, I believe, is the poster. That's that side. Ah, yeah, there we go. That's cool. Oh, you can actually see people. It's kind of fun. I'd be super happy if I was in the crowd and could kind of see my silhouette. They got the RJ banner there. That's fun to actually see. You know, they always take this kind of picture after the shows, but it's always cool if you're at the show that they actually make a poster and DVD out of. I keep wishing that they'll make a DVD out of one of the shows that I go to, but it'll be in the making of or the memories collections, but I've yet to be at a show that becomes a box of its own. So all right, for this I'm gonna maybe try and do a little zoom in, get a little closer up. All right, so London, June 1st and 2nd, 2019, Wembley Stadium. So this show was just after I had seen him in Chicago and New Jersey. It's kind of a weird, you see that? There's like a weird printing dust, like a weird white dust on that. That's kind of weird. Yeah, Dionysus. I love these. These come out and these inflate during the concert. It's a really cool moment. It's a really fun way of starting the show. Yeah, this is a really nice photo book, actually. It's got RM and Suga. Got Jin and J-Hope. Got Jimin and V. And then Jungkook. Aww. And then you got them all again. That's pretty cool. All together on the extended stage. Oh, and FYI, when I was at the LA show in 2018, they do have like little teleprompting screens, and I saw on it their English, that they were saying their comments in English. They had a little teleprompter to remind them. They each wrote their own, I've seen, but they do have a little teleprompter so they can remember how to say the English words. Just Dance. This one's cool because it gives the little, it kind of tells you what it's from. So Just Dance is J-Hope's solo song. Euphoria. So the first time I saw Euphoria perform, Jungkook did this really complex dance. And then on this next tour, on the Speak Yourself tour version of Love Yourself, he started doing this thing where he flies around, and it looks so fun. It's so cool to see him kind of flying around. Good to see up close that he has a nice carabiner system, so he's strapped in there good. Because from far away, you can't tell that he like fully locks himself in. So I was like, whoa, man, is he just holding on to a hand loop? But it's good to see. We got V in the crease there a little bit. We got V and Jimin. Suga, Jin, Jungkook. They're wearing the light pinks in this one. They don't say which song they're doing there. So yeah, this is the solo stage, Serendipity. So this is Jimin's stage. On one of the shows, I saw that the bubble, he's supposed to reach up and touch the bubble, and it pops. One time it didn't pop fully. I forget which show that was exactly, but so it's kind of cool where he starts off in the bubble though. Serendipity is a great song as well. Solo stage, so this is Rapmon's. That's a fun one. He jumps around, wants you to sing along. Sugar. Jin with the rose. Jimin, V, J-Hope. J-Hope with the pocket heart. He always likes to hide little hearts. They all pull out hearts, but I noticed that J-Hope always has them. Jin doing a standard point. Suga. Oh, look at all those hearts. Oh yeah, so in V's Singularity, he starts laying in bed and the camera shot is face down on him. It's pretty cool. Singularity with the mask dance. Very cool. Choreo on that one. Looks like the end of Fake Love there. RM and J-Hope. They're looking very intense in these photos. Oh yeah, and then you got Suga solo stage, Seesaw. It's fun. He's actually dancing and singing all on his own. Oh yeah, one of my faves, Epiphany. Jin's actually playing his piano part during it. This one's so cool. So cool live, but also just a cool song. I love Epiphany. Jin, I love Jin because he's always singing in a full like chest voice. And I just love his vocal tone. He really belts it out. Yeah, The Truth Untold. So this one's always, I think, the hardest one for them. You know, in different performances, they can be a little unstable because it's just, the backing track is so minimal. There's nothing there but voices. And it can be hard sometimes for them, but look at those costumes. But it's cool because they're all on their own platforms. And when they show it on screen, they show each person's face all set up on screen. So you kind of watch them all at once. It was pretty cool. Tear, one of my favorites. Rap line doing its thing. J-Hope's part at the end is always just super powerful too. Plus those outfits are cool during tier. Usually when it's red, that's mic drop, so that's my guess for that part. I love when all the army bombs go red. Yeah, mic drop. Yeah, I saw J-Hope wearing this. I love tactical clothing, and he always wears the tactical outfits. I love that look. J-Hope's my boy. Yeah, these stadium shows were huge. I mean, just immense. Largest shows I've ever been to that are, you know, not festival style. Yeah, it's always fun during like Ampanman and Go. They have like the slides and the jump castle stuff, and they're bouncing around having a good time. It's always super fun to watch that performance. J-Hope with the hearts. Oh, Jungkook getting emotional. Oh, a whole page full of RM. I wonder if they're going to do that for everybody. Yeah, nice. Suga. I love Suga with the gloves. Suga with the gloves is just, you know, it's time to rap. Jim with the purple hair. Yeah, always up for their encore, they come out wearing the merch. It's a smart move to get you going. Ooh, I want that. I remember on the concert online, they just did the one Map of the Soul one concert. Seeing Suga in that anorak jacket at the end, I was like, okay, I got to get that. And I did. So I'll do an unboxing of that later. Oh, emotional Jungkook. Just the end of the show. It's always fun. They always do the songs that are like more sing-along style, which is kind of fun. Always a sentimental ending at a BTS show, that's for sure. This looks like that poster shot. Taking a bow. Oh, the rehearsal. So empty stadium. That's a cool shot. Yep, doing mic check. My favorite look for Jin. He's blonde there, so he must have colored his hair after rehearsal to get it purple for the show. Interesting. I wonder if it was just temporary purple. See, right there is purple, but there it's not purple. Not even slightly, so. Yeah, he must have done it specifically for that show right then. Jungkook wearing the Carhartt shirt. J-Hope. It's always funny when he wears the hat with his ears just sticking out like that. He's always wearing his beanies that way. Jin drinking a coffee. Yeah, some of these shows were cold even though they were in May, June. London backstage. Yeah, it's cool. Outside of these big stadium shows, they always put a whole bunch of banners up around the stadium area and stuff. So it's really cool to, you know, walk around, get pictures of all the different banners they have. We got a little backstage going on there. All right, and then we got some production credits. All right, so that's the DVD. I always like the DVD because it comes with the big photo book. This time you got a poster. You got a big giant photo card, not your standard little photo card. And then, yeah, the DVDs themselves. So that was a fun set. Let me know if any of you guys were at the show. I'd love to hear your comments about this specific concert. I know everyone has different conditions, different little banter that they do. So let me know in the comments below if you were there. And as usual, I always like to hear from you guys at all. So hit me up with a comment about what you liked about this, what photos you liked, or your concert memories from any of your shows. With that, drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share with your friends. And as usual, talk to you soon.